In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a debit card as a payment method on Fiverr, making it easier for you to manage transactions on the platform. Whether you're a freelancer looking to pay for services or a business managing various orders, this guide will simplify the process for you. To begin, you'll need to open your Fiverr account from your preferred web browser. For this demonstration, I'll be using Google Chrome, but feel free to choose the browser you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open and you've navigated to the Fiverr website, take a moment to log in using your credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logging into your account securely, so double-check that your password and username are entered correctly. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu offering various options for managing your account. From this list, look for and select the option labeled Billing and Payments. This is your gateway to managing all payment-related activities on Fiverr. After selecting Billing and Payments, you'll be taken to a page with several sections. Our focus today is on the Payment Methods section, as this is where you'll be setting up your debit card. Click on Payment Methods and you'll see a few options presented to you. What you're looking for here is the Credit or Debit Card option. Selecting this option will allow Fiverr to accept your debit card as a method of payment. Now comes the part where you'll need to have your debit card handy. You will need to accurately enter the details found on your card. This includes your card number, which is the long set of digits on the front of your card, the expiration date, which typically has a month-year format, and the 3-digit security code, often referred to as the CVV, which can usually be found on the back of the card. Additionally, you'll need to enter the first and last name associated with the card to ensure the information matches what the bank has on file. Once you've carefully inputted all the necessary information, it's time to make everything official by clicking the Save button. This action confirms your entry and finalizes the setup of your debit card on Fiverr. And there you have it. You've successfully added your debit card as a payment method on Fiverr. I trust this guide has been helpful in navigating the platform's payment settings. If you found this tutorial useful, please take a moment to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for regular updates and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more Fiverr tutorials. Thank you for watching.